Hey there, Crystal and Justin here with oursleepguide.com. Today
Howdy.
we're going to be looking at the extra thick bamboo top mattress pad by eLuxury. So let's get started. So this extra thick pad by eLuxury is going to be a made in the USA product that's going to add just about an inch of thickness to your mattress. And it's really just going to add a nice plush top. So if you're looking for something to just kind of soften up the top layers of your bed, you want something that's just going to give you just enough, but not like a super thick memory foam
Yeah, I mean
pad.
something
It's
that's not
really
going to
nice.
dramatically change the feel of the mattress, but it's going to, if you're a side sleeper and you want to have a little bit better pressure relief and you're feeling like your hip's a little bit sore, this would be really an excellent topper to be able to throw over the top of your mattress. You don't have to deal with, if you saw us unbox this thing, it's very simple, but it's not going to be like a rolled up 2-inch, 3-inch thick memory foam pad. Is sometimes those pads, if they don't have the right secure,
Little straps or like little
suspenders on them. If you don't have those on there, those things tend to really shift and move on you.
And they're pretty thick and substantial, so if you do sink in on those, where this one, it's actually like a nice quilted top that just gives it a little bit of added softness.
I'm impressed. I mean, I've tried a lot of different mattress toppers, and I really haven't liked the way that they changed the feel of the mattress so completely different. So if you just want something to be able to, what this feels like, what had just popped into my head is this is what hotels use. So me owning a mattress store, I have customers on a weekly basis come in and they say, I slept out of this hotel and they had the greatest mattress in the whole wide world and this is the tag name on it. And they'll say, did they have a topper on the mattress? Well, 9 times out of 10 they do. And this is the type of topper that a hotel would use, where it's very airy, it's not too thick, but it provides some good softness. It also is going to have your fabric that goes all the way around the corners, and you have elastic on the bottom of them. If you sleep in a lot of hotels, you like checking out mattresses, you look, I mean, this is what's going to be on it. So.
Right. Yep, and it's like a fitted sheet that actually fits up to an 18-inch thick mattress, so that's really nice. So regardless of how thick your bed is, if you want to add just a little extra topper, it will fit perfectly. It also comes in pretty much every mattress size, so if you get like a firmer mattress for your kids' room in a twin size and just want a little added extra, you can get it, as well as all the way up to a California King and everything in between, so that's really nice too. I would say another really great thing about this is the fact that it's really affordable. It kind of just ranges in that $100 to $150 price point, which when you're looking at more expensive like Tempur-Pedic toppers and stuff like that, you're getting into several $100s, which is quite an investment, where with this you're going to get just a little bit of softness at that price point that's just right. So a few other things just to note about this topper too is the fact that it is washable, which is really nice. So you can just throw it in with your laundry and wash it and put it back on your bed, and it's gonna, not shift around or anything too much because it is quilted. And it also is going to be shipped for free.
So that was our eLuxury topper review, and this was actually a really comfortable mattress topper. So if you do have any more questions about this, definitely shoot us an email. We're here to help you out. Go back over to the website, check out the full written review, check out some of the other eLuxury stuff that we have. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.